In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make timetable in Google Calendar. We'll start on Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account so everything syncs. Open the Google Apps grid in the top right corner and choose Calendar. This takes you to your personal calendar. Before we add anything, switch the display to a weekly layout so you can see your timetable clearly. In the top right of Calendar, open the View menu and select Week. The grid now shows your days across the top and hours down the left, which is perfect for planning. Next, we'll create a dedicated calendar just for your timetable. On the left sidebar, look for Other Calendars. Click the plus icon beside it, then choose Create New Calendar. Give it a clear name like My Timetable so it's easy to spot later. Click Create Calendar to finish. Using its own calendar keeps the timetable distinct from birthdays, reminders, and other events, which makes planning less cluttered and easier to read. Then return to the main calendar page. Now let's add your first timetable entry. Click Create near the top left and choose Event. In the title box, type the name of the activity, for example, Gym. Set the start and end time so the event matches your real schedule. If this happens regularly, open the repeat options where it says does not repeat and pick weekly on Monday. If your routine falls on another day, simply pick the weekday that matches and keep the same times. That way the event will appear every week at the same time without you re-entering it. Before saving, make sure the event goes onto the right calendar. Open the calendar drop-down in the event details and select the one you just made, My Timetable. This keeps your timetable items separate from your personal events and makes them easy to show or hide. When everything looks correct, click Save. Back in Week View, check that your new event appears on the correct day and time. Open the next Monday to confirm the repeat setting worked. If it shows up there too, you're all set. If anything is off, you can reopen the event, adjust the time, or change the repeat rule and save again. Repeat the same process for each class, appointment, or activity you want on the timetable. Keeping everything on your My Timetable calendar helps you color code, toggle visibility, and share if needed, while leaving your main calendar uncluttered. And that's it! You've built a clear, reusable timetable in Google Calendar that updates automatically every week.